explode! The floor is lava!
Guys, and today I'll be showing you how to download Roblox audios, and it's really simple, so let's get straight into it. So first of all, what we have to do is select an audio. So this works with any audio except I this works for most audios, like except for ones that don't work. Example, this one probably won't work, or this one might not work. So but I've not tested it, so you could try and it might work. So I'm gonna use an audio that does work. So these two audios, they probably will not work, but you can try. So if you try and it does work, please let me know. So yeah, so just pick an audio that you want to download. So I'm gonna download this audio right here. So when you find your audio, just click on it. Then when it's done loading, you have to hover your mouse over this, then right click it, and then you want to click inspect element. Well, it doesn't say element, but that's what it's called, inspect element. So now you see this highlighted blue, and you see the H right here. You want to double click again, and then highlight the H and all the way through to the last digit. So basically this is just a link, like HTTPS and then the link. So you want to just copy the link, copy it, don't press cut. And then once you copy this link, make sure you include the H because you can miss it right here. So once you have copied the link, just open a new tab and then paste it. And when you paste it, press enter. When you and now when you went to the thing, you'll see this. Now what you want to do here is click the three dots right here, and boom, you have successfully downloaded a Roblox audio. Now, for some reason, like you'll get a different screen. Like sometimes you will not get the screen. So I'm gonna try to recreate that. So like sometimes you will get that screen and sometimes you won't. So I think if I get the second screen, it's because it's from Roblox. So once again, just right click, click inspect, and make sure you're doing on the play button. You don't do it here. Do it on the play button. Copy the link, make sure you include the H. Okay, I so I created the other screen where basically when you when you enter the website, it will automatically download. If that happens to you, you can still play the audio. So what you want to do, and also, so this is the one that we first downloaded, which when you click on it, okay, hurry up, I don't have time for that. And as you can see, it does play, but if you get the other screen, which automatically downloads it, when you click on it, it will ask you to how to open this file. Now, if we click on Windows Media Player, you'll get this screen, and this is okay. Press yes, and as you can see, it does play. Now, for wondering, this is not an MP3 file, so most stuff won't work on it, but there's still a way to get this working if your file is like this, where you did this, where you copy the link and press enter, but it automatically downloads. I'm gonna show you how to make this into MP3. So what you want to go to is this website called Tunes to Tube. I'll have a link in the description, and you want to sign in. And once you signed in, you'll get this screen right here. So basically, want to upload files and then go to downloads and find um your song. Now you're probably wondering, it's not here. This is the first one you download. Well, do you see this custom files? Click on it and click on all files, and then you will see the audio that you downloaded. So this is the one where it did not automatically download, and this one is the one that you automatically downloaded. So click on that, click open, and you want to pick an image. So just find your image that you want, and then wait for this to upload. And when is this all done, make sure you press the title. You can name it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna do test. Put a description. You can put tags, but this is optional. And you have to make sure this is live. And image not up. Okay, there. That was weird. If you make it private, this will not work. For some reason, my internet is really bad. So when is this all done? And when it's all done, you enter these details, and then it says waiting. And when it's all done, I'll get back to you when it's all done. Okay, guys, I am back. As you can see, everything is done. I put in a title and description. Also, description is also unnecessary, but title is necessary. So once everything is done, what you want to do is press create video. And now you will have to wait for it to be encoded and uploaded. And it only takes like a few minutes. Not even minutes, a few seconds. But since my internet is pretty slow, this will take a while. But it's not that slow. And then which one would you got this screen? You want to click on this link, and when you click on this link, it says we're processing this video. So this also takes like a few seconds. Now you will get your browser can't play this video. That is literally not an issue. Just click on it again, just wait, and then you will see that it'll be there. And yeah, once you got this, you want to get the link and then go to this website. I'll have it in the description. Basically, it converts videos into MP3s. So basically, we have the music that we downloaded from Roblox. So we got this song right here, which is not an MP3 file, but since we can upload a video, we can make it an MP3. And make sure you click on MP3, copy the link into this, and then click convert. And be careful for some pop-ups and ads. You have a pop-up blocker and an ad blocker, so if anything pop-ups, just close it. And then when you have it all downloaded, just click download, and then boom, it's an MP3. So yeah, we got this audio, and we made and we successfully made it to an MP3. So yeah, only do this step if your audio automatically downloads. Because look, this one, the first one that we did, it works fine. It did not automatically download, and then this MP3 file. But the second one that we did, which is not, did not on, which we did have to automatically download. It's not MP3 file, but if you follow my steps, we can make it an MP3 file. Also, if you're wondering why I have this download symbol, it's an extension. But you're probably wondering, okay, then why are you making this video? Well, sometimes it doesn't even work, which is really annoying. Like it downloads, but it doesn't even play anything. So yeah, if this video worked, and make sure to leave a like if it worked for you. And if you have any problems, tell me in the comment section, and I'll try to help you. Also, subscribe for more videos. And if you know a person who who wants to download Roblox audio, share it in this video, and yeah, guys, have an awesome day, and I this work for you.